What up, YouTube? Brokefarmer back with another video on this beautiful day, y'all. And a while back, I said I was looking for an online nursery that I can give a discount to everybody in the community and somebody who can work with the community. I might have just found that nursery. All right, y'all. Let's see what we got. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ooh. Oh, they look pretty. See, pretty. Uh-oh. 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 Y'all see that? Oh, she healthy. Healthy. All right. Okay. All right. That's something else. Now let's get this plastic off and let's get into it. All right, y'all, before we get in it deeper, this is the name of the nursery, foodforestnursery.com. If you go down in my description, then it'll be a link where everything you buy off that site will be 10% off. It's a link, and I have a code. So all that's gonna be in the link. I'll probably put the code somewhere right here so you can see it. All right, let's get on with the video. And I got a Phoenix Tears Goji. I got a red goji berry already back there. I don't know what variety that is, but I really wanted a Phoenix Tears Goji. All these are bare roots. I'm gonna show you what I do to get my bare root trees ready for planting. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, I got this bucket filled up with water. And what you want to do is, these are bare root trees that are sent. So with no soil being on them, and them being shipped in the mail, you need to rehydrate them. I think they said 8 to 10 hours. I'm definitely not gonna leave mine in here this long. Probably 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours. Just gonna let the roots rehydrate. But these look good. These are nice and green, and this is in January. These gooseberries look good, really good. So we're gonna put them down in there and let them sit, let them get rehydrated, and we're gonna put them in the ground. Put them in the ground. All right, I've let them soak for about 4 hours. Well hydrated. Now this Phoenix Tears Goji in certain states is considered invasive. So I'm not gonna put it in the ground. I'm gonna put it in a container and see can we get great growth out of it. Now this soil is just regular potting mix. I got some alfalfa pellets and other stuff in there, but it's nothing you've never seen on my channel before. Let's go check some of my old videos out. All right, and I got another one that's been soaking. This brown stuff, it was just stuff that came on the roots to keep a little something on them, keep it moist. There's some thick roots though. So we're gonna pot this one up the same way. So we're gonna give it a deep watering, and we're gonna mulch it in. All right, y'all, let's get it watered in. A good deep water. We're not expecting rain for a couple of days. So we're gonna water them in good. And we're gonna have some goji berries, y'all. We're gonna be eating goji berries in the spring, in the summer. We're gonna put some in the refrigerator. So we'll have them in the freezer, so we'll have them over spring, everything. Now, the reason I got these goji berries, they have a lot of medicinal benefits to it. Do your own research. I ain't a doctor, so I ain't gonna try to give y'all no information on that. But I really want a goji berry because of the medicinal properties that it do have. So do your research. All right, y'all. This is my royal apricot. Don't know, roots look good and hydrated. So we're gonna plant this in here. I've already moved the grass back, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plant this hole twice as big as the root ball. And I'm gonna tell you why. I hear a lot of people saying this, but they never explain it. Once you put that tree in there, those roots want to start flaring out and growing. Where if that soil is too hard, it can't move over. So if that hole is twice the size and you fill it back in, that soil is very soft, so your roots can flare out and you can be very successful with it. All right, let's get to it. That's some good soil. Dark brown, good soil. Not nothing I did. It was like that when I moved him. All right, let's check it. That's just about perfect where I want it. Definitely don't want to cover the graft line. Before it got to me, this is where it was buried at. So we're gonna try to keep that up, okay? Make sure you break it up. Like I was telling you about soft soil for the roots. I got a little too high. Start over. Try this again. All right, there we go. All right, once you get in there, you want to make sure it's standing straight up. All right, there she goes. Some of this grass is gonna die. It'll eventually turn to organic matter. Then we're gonna mulch on top of it. And what a lot of people don't do that I like to do, I like to water it after I mulch it in. I just like to have that mulch wet because a new tree needs constant water. So if we keep that mulch wet, it'll keep the soil wet and keep the tree living. Now it look crooked, but the graft coming straight up and it's flaring at the graft. So I want the tree to be straight up. I guess I could adjust that a little bit. but we okay with it. We don't care how she lean, long as she produce. So there we go. All right, and we're gonna mulch 6 inches. We don't want that mulch to touch the tree. Yeah, it looks crooked. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Because this is the graft. The graft is straight up and it's coming off. It's coming off and going to the side a little bit. I'm okay with that. I definitely want that graft straight up and down. So that's why I got it like that. Now let's water it in. All right, this is a little video insert. I want to explain what I meant when I say having the graft straight up and down. When you plant a tree, your roots flare down. If you looked at those roots, how they were coming straight down. Now I could have leaned the roots so the grafted sideline would be sticking straight up. But I don't want my roots to lean. I want my roots to go down straight down, how they've been growing, and then have my graft straight. So if that tree is leaning a little bit, I don't care about that. As long as my graft is straight and my roots are going straight down. I don't know how Google feel about that. I don't really care. I find success doing it like that. So I just wanted to explain what I meant by that. You can manipulate your roots at an angle so the grafted part is straight up and down. That's cool. I just don't believe in that. I just want to fully explain that during the video. All right, y'all keep watching the video. I got my pop. So first, I'm gonna use that water that has been sitting there for 4 hours. All right, y'all. I want to give a big shout out to Food Forest Nursery for reaching out and providing the whole community with a 10% off code. Wonderful trees over on this site, but I'm not going to tell you everything. Go over right now to Food Forest Nursery. Before you go down in the description, get the 10% off code, and go over there and check out Food Forest Nursery. It's a great site. I can't say that enough. All right, y'all. I'm on the site. I just want to go through a couple things they have that no other online nurseries have that I've seen. They have a huge berry selection. Huge. You ain't never tried gooseberry? Try gooseberry. Aromatic sumac. I don't even know what that is. But that black hawberry. Oh, I'm about to add it to the cart. I got to have that, y'all. But I mean, goji berry. What is a josta berry? You ever heard of a josta berry? I ain't either. But they got it on the site, y'all. And it's for only $15. When the last time you find something you ain't never seen before and it's under $20? I will wait. Some awesome berries, y'all. Raspberry, blackberries, currants. I don't even know what a currant is, but he got currants. He got red currants, and I think I saw black currant. Bristol black raspberry. But go check out So Good Gardener and go check out David Core with the crop, because they called me and told me they just got something from Food Forest Nursery. So go check them out. Tell them Brokefarmer sent you.